Hey, onda mucha. Welcome to my channel. Say hi to Beaky, Beaker, my alter ego for years. Please like and subscribe. And we are going to talk about today is a Miguron knife. So stay tuned. So this is not an unboxing, but we are going to talk about and review the Miguron Moyarl. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's sub $75 knife. So this is for my budget friendly and good value bulk. And yeah, I really like it. It comes in this box. Excuse me, bigger. Nothing out of the ordinary, just a regular box. It comes with a certificate, a cleaning cloth, and that's pretty much it. Please hold it, beaker. There you go. But yes, the selling point, or my selling point for this knife specifically, is because it's titanium. It has titanium handles. They're coated. It's not DLC. But they feel so good. They're smooth. They are chamfered just the right way. There's no rough edges anywhere. They did a really good job in the scales. Ah, look at that. Snail trail. I've been using it. I mistakenly put it on a zipper pocket. That's how that happened. Oops. And it's a clutch lock, a crossbar lock. Look at the blade. Drop point. Very useful. And it has an unguarded choil. Not quite half, but you can choke up if you want to, or use the whole handle. It's made for bigger hands. Actually, it's not a small knife. I'll go into the comparisons later on. But the blade, the deployment, ease of deployment, the crossbar lock is spot on. No complaints. It runs on washers, not on ball bearings, so you know it's gonna be easier to clean. It's not gonna muck up if you are in a dusty environment. The blade is 14C28N, and I've found it to be a really good steel or semi-budget steel. Linear hole. The hardware are T6s and T8 for the hardware. Same for the pocket clip, T6s. And it's a very good option for a big or mid-size knife if you want titanium scales. And these feel really, really good. Minimal logo there. M or Miguron. And almost nothing on the blade, just the tiny steel reference. That's it. Let's go to comparisons. So let's compare it first with the Demco 8020.5. If you see, they're almost the same size when closed. Similar profile, same thickness. Oh yeah, bigger fell down. The blade looks a little bigger, but it's just because of the choil. If you're standing up, they're almost the same size. Now let's compare with the PM2. The PM2 is a little bit bigger. Different blade shape, of course. It's just a little bit bigger. But you know that the PM2 is for big cans, big, rough use. So blade stock is thinner than the PM2. And just because I have it here, the Delica 4. No, this is Delica 2, I'm sorry. I've had this knife for 25 years. And yeah, it's bigger than the Delica 2, of course. I'm not going to pull out the ruler, just you can see the difference even when open. Much more blade, different blade shapes, of course. Opening hole is very useful on this one, same as with Delica. But yeah, it's not a small knife. So, in conclusion, it's the pros and the cons. I see almost all pros. Even the pocket clip is deep carry. Look at that. And the steel. There is absolutely no wiggle front to back or side to side. It locks up very well. The only small criticism is that the clutch lock is not as smooth as the CGRB clutch lock or crossbar lock that they are using. But it's pretty smooth, actually. It's just not as smooth as the CGRB ones. But if you're looking for a good value, which means very high, very premium materials under $100, and this is under $75, I can recommend the Miguron Moyarl. I'll link it down below. And yeah, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Say bye to Beaker. And don't forget my discount on Vibrary products. It's on my bio or link below. I helped design this pouch, the VE34. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good day.
Yeah!